Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. On the DOT chart here, we continue to see the price grind in this ascending price channel. It reached my next target in yesterday's video. Did I make one yesterday? I think so. But yes, in the last video, I talked about the $8.60 level as the next target because this is the 61.8 extension level of waves, circle waves 1 to 3 measured and then measured against the low of the wave 4. So that's a key level. Typically, the coins react to that level in a fifth wave, or any chart really. That's a common fifth wave target. The thing is, though, that we always have to make sure that the different Fibonacci levels of the different, let's say, the different patterns and degrees align. Now, here in this particular example, you can see that, yeah, circle wave 5 reached target, but that doesn't mean it has to finish here, okay? So that's why I added micro support now, which is now at $7.55. So as long as we're holding that level, it should be able to increase in an impulse. Below that level, it's not necessarily bearish, but it might turn into, it might turn wave 5 into some kind of a diagonal pattern that continues to grind within the channel. So just be aware, it's only the first indication that something might break. But yeah, but typically, the target for wave 3 as a whole is actually higher. Minimum would be 895 for me, but better would be 962, maybe even a little higher. So that makes it quite likely that the wave 5 will either extend in a diagonal or an impulse. So for the impulse, it needs to hold 755 and will then make it a straightforward pattern. If it turns into a diagonal, it might turn into some messy stuff. So, like that. But for now, it's looking good. The price turned around exactly where it needed to in our support area. This was likely just a normal flat pattern, an expanded flat, expanded flat with an overshooting B wave here, and reacted exactly to the 38.2 retracement. Maybe as info for anybody who's not so familiar with Elliott Wave, oftentimes a fourth wave reacts to exactly that Fibonacci level, the 38.2 retracement level, before then turning around and before moving higher in this fifth wave of a larger third. Then we should get that larger fourth and a larger fifth. And that larger fifth, it depends a little bit on where the third wave will end. So, if the third wave reaches, let's say, $9.62, then we should expect the wave 5 to possibly reach that $10.80 level. And maybe even a bit higher. But it's a little bit too early to really say that with high confidence. But let's just add a couple of fibs. The next ones. So it's, for example, completely common or not unusual for a fifth wave to reach the 200% extension level. Not unusual. That would be $13. But obviously, it depends a little bit on how high the wave 3 goes. So at the moment, it's still not there where it needs to be. And as soon as I have a confirmed top in place for wave 3, I will add support for wave 4. Likelihood, it might be likely that this wave 4 just holds within the trend channel, for example. Yeah. So it's actually quite a well-defined channel right now. So let's see if the price respects it going forward. See, if we push higher in this third, it might just grind its way higher here along the trend channel. They are the things we need to watch for. And if I say, okay, what happens below 755? Yeah, circle wave 5 might turn into a diagonal. When it is really bearish, well, it will turn bearish below 644. Then I haven't really got anything clearly bullish left. Would really need to look at the structure then. But from what I see right now, I haven't got anything really bullish left. Take that one out. That was for before. Because then it would just look too much like a three-wave top. Yeah. Basically an A wave up, a B wave down, and a C wave up. Yeah, that's my update about DOT. Hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.